Hello guys, welcome back here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make onion oil, and I'm going to be using onions and coconut oil. I'm simply going to go ahead and prepare my onions by chopping them into smaller pieces. So guys, before I continue, I just want to point out that there are so many methods of preparing onions oil, and this is one of the method. I actually researched on which method worked best, and I discovered this method is actually very effective. So feel free to use any method that works best for you. Guys, did you know that apart from using onions to cook, there are still a lot of ways to use onions? And I personally believe it is time we look beyond the strong smell of onion and begin to discover the health and beauty benefits of onions. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the benefits of using onions for the hair. Onions is rich in sulfur. Sulfur makes the hair strong and thick, therefore preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions also help promote collagen production. Collagen production in turn help the production of healthy hair growth. Onions is also rich in substance that fight bacteria and keep the hair free of infection and therefore improve hair growth. A healthy scalp will always reduce hair fall. Guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate you. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on that red subscribe button you are seeing by the right side of this video, and do make sure to give this video a thumbs up because this really helps my channel a lot. at this point your onion oil is ready to be used. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate the onion from the oil, and I'm going to be using this oil as my regular oil, and sometimes I'll use it to pre-poo my hair on wash day. So guys, this will be all for this video. Do let me know what you think in the comment section. Till I see you in my next video. Bye bye.